Hello, so today I'm at Ikea to have a little look at what they've got coming in for autumn. I know I don't want to say goodbye to summer yet, but I am going to have a look at little bits that they might have in for summer that might be getting reduced. I'll have a little look. But I'm going in with no expectations. I don't really have anything on a list, but if I see something I like, I am going to grab it. But yeah, let's go have a look what they've got ready for autumn. Okay, so let's get cracking in Ikea and go up the staircase. It's one of my favourite things to do, is getting on the elevator. So I haven't really got much expectations, like I said, but I am hoping that there are quite a lot of autumny bits here that I can have a look at and share with you. What I did notice though is quite a lot of the summery stuff, unfortunately, were being reduced, like all these picnic cups and picnic plates. A lot of different things, and there's a big kind of focus at the forefront of like office, back to school, back to work, desks and chairs and decor for the office, which is good actually, because currently doing over my partner's office, so it's good to get some really good inspo for his office. We were thinking about getting the Alex drawers, but we might go for an all wooden desk instead now. But yeah, Ikea had a really great range of office furniture. I thought this pegboard was really cool, and every time I come here I really want to buy this mug. I just think they're so cute and they look like they'd be really easy to clean, but I never pick one up. I noticed there was lots of kind of like dining stuff and things ready for kind of like hosting season, dare I say Christmas, but it's gonna be here soon, guys. Loved this little thing where you could hang multiple different things on. And yeah, just trying to pick up kind of all the things that were new or lower price. One thing I have to say is that everything was pretty much a lower price. And I saw this in black. I actually came here wanting one of these in the brown. So I decided to pick two of these up, and thought I should have picked them up at the end really, because I could carry them all the way around. But loved these little stools. And yeah, everything seems to be kind of like lower price, new lower price again, which is good, because I feel like Ikea did go through a stage where it went up in price so much that actually like you didn't come to Ikea for cheap stuff anymore, but now it's starting to drop again. And I liked all of these little side tables, again, all with new lower price. Thought that's perfect for baskets. This one's a bit smaller at £40, but again, lots of nice new things. So this chair was new. Again, I think it's bringing in those autumn colours. Lots of autumnal stuff coming through. Lots of side tables that were new as well, which I noticed, because I am looking for side tables at the moment, because we've got like a U-shaped sofa. Doesn't have much room for a coffee table, so I think like side tables might be a good option. So I might buy some of them another time when I come back. But yeah, lots of new sofas, and I'm just walking through the store now. But again, new lower price, £99 for like a sofa bed. Doesn't look the most comfy, but it might do. We also need a sofa bed, so it's good to see. And I loved kind of all this rattan wicker setup that they had. They had quite a few different pieces like this, which I absolutely loved. £16 for that. I did go back to try and have a look for that throw, but I couldn't find it in the kind of like textiles section. But yeah, lots of good throws for affordable prices. Really liked these chairs. These were new as well. Thought they'd look really cute in a corner of the room with a nice stripy pillow. But yeah, these were all new. So this is Ikea Cardiff, and what I had noticed that they'd done over quite a few of their spaces. So in an old Ikea tour that I did, I said that I didn't like a certain type of kitchen that they had, and it felt really outdated. Well, they've completely changed that now, which is the kitchen by here. I didn't want to go in there because there was some people looking but rather serious at the kitchen, and I was just messing about. But yeah, I really like the new spaces, and I love these Roman blinds. I wanted to get them, but I couldn't find them anywhere in the blinds section. But I should have taken note here, because if you've got a small window, they're only £15. These are the blinds that I'm hoping to get for Alex's office. But yeah, this is a really cute space, and I liked that space because it's showing, like, you know, you can have a small room and make it look aesthetic at the same time. But I think I've shown you this room before, which I really like. I'm going to do something similar to my fireplace and get a oak beam. So it's nice to just come in here and have a little look at the type of layout that they've done. It's a little bit similar to ours. But yeah, I felt like there was a big focus on kind of like family spaces, get together, probably trying to focus on more of the indoors now compared to outdoors. And I absolutely love these little polka dot balls with the pink backs. They were so sweet, but again, I couldn't find them when I went downstairs. I absolutely loved this polka dot throw and the basket, but again, I just couldn't. I should have picked everything up when I saw it. I couldn't find the price for this one either, but I really, really did like it. So that one was called, I can't pronounce that, but that's what that one's called. If you wanted to get one, I thought it was really sweet. I like the polka dot stuff. Again, just more living room layouts. I liked this kind of like open plan diner living, showing all the storage and the different types of table layouts that you can do. They've got some really nice crockery in an Ikea at the moment, and obviously Ikea are great for all their storage solutions. If you're not ready to let go of summer yet, they've got a really cute balcony on this lounge layout, which I loved. But again, I spotted that rattan chair in the corner, which I really liked. I was like, £12? That doesn't make sense. £279, so not as good as bargain, but to be fair, for what it is, that'll be in fashion forever. Okay, and I noticed the Kallax units have finally got a new lower price, which is great news, because I think the Kallax, even though they're not the most aesthetic things in the world, they are literally so good for storage. Like, I still have all my clothes in Kallax boxes because I am literally so rubbish at hanging things up. But yeah, if you want some good storage, then definitely choose the Kallax units. I think they're probably amazing if you've got kids as well. Ikea was actually so busy at summer holidays, and I was just like, oh please, I'm just trying to do a video. But I do really like these mid-century tables. My house is not really mid-century vibes, but I just liked the shape on them and how they kind of like went together. But yeah, again, emphasis on the desks that I was seeing, a lot of desks. And I think it's just that push on kind of like back to school, back to work, summer holidays are nearly ending. Yeah, lots of cool storage solutions here. Like, I like the wicker baskets and the shelving and the Billy bookcases. There's just a lot of really good stuff, and lots of stuff where I think, ooh, this could be a good hack. Apologies for the terrible camera work here. I was trying to do it without being too obvious, but I thought this was a really cute wicker storage cabinet. I just feel like you can't get enough storage in the house. If you can hide the mess, then it technically isn't there, is it? But these are all new. I thought these were really nice. I thought they could be good for like a kitchen or next to a dining table. I really did like these, thinking, could I have something like that in my open plan area? But I just don't think we'd have room for one. But yeah, these glass cabinets, £40. I really like how they styled the black ones. But yeah, lots of cool storage. And I like this section because it makes me just think, oh, I can hide all my stuff in these areas here. I'm currently really wanting a kitchen caddy, something like this, but a lot smaller for our utility room, because we need somewhere for the coffee machine. The coffee machine makes so much mess, and I just want like a separate little unit for it rather than our like oak worktops where it's just getting ruined. Kind of felt a little bit same old in this section. There are a few. I really liked this little step. Has like storage in it, and you can kind of move it around and use it as a little step. I think I might get one of these because I do struggle to kind of like get in the top shelves in our kitchen. I just thought it was such a good little step up where you can put some storage in it as well. It might be good for doing some DIY, keep some tools at the bottom of it. But yeah, lots of good dining tables. I feel like you can't really go wrong with a dining table from Ikea. It's going to last you as much as you want. I really like this setup. I loved the chairs as well. I thought they were really cute. I do like the chairs that Ikea do. I think they're quite timeless. And again, I was drawn to mid-century stuff in Ikea today. I really liked this one, and I wouldn't mind having one like that, but maybe with a bit more of a softer pad, so having like stripes on the bottom. So that could be a DIY Ikea hack coming up. But yeah, can't really go wrong. I was going to film around the kitchens and stuff, but I just felt like you guys don't really want to see that unless you're buying a kitchen, which I have done a video about Ikea kitchens before, so you can go back and watch that. But yeah, these were just some of the other kitchen trolleys that I was looking at, but I don't think I'll get one. I think I'll get one on Marketplace. But again, there was some really good home office setups. I really like the screen riser here and those little drawers. They just add like a little bit of fun, a little bit of colour. But yeah, I was proper looking at the type of tables we could get. I really liked the like squared one. This one, I thought it was really sweet. I like the new colourways. I like this rattan one. It made me feel like, you know, it was as if you're like working on holiday or something. And the room divider, I'm really thinking about getting one for our open plan room, just to divide the space up. And I'm absolutely loving these baskets. I can't wait to get the hallway done. And I wanted to just show my friend this bed because it is cheap. And if you want some of these, they're only £3.50. And then we finally come into the autumn stuff. So I finally spotted some Halloween things and some napkins with bats on, and yeah, very moody kind of like pumpkin vibes, which I was hoping to see more of, to be able to give you guys a little bit more of a taste of what's coming in for autumn, but unfortunately it was just kind of like this little section. But as you can see, they are definitely bringing stuff in, so if you're thinking about going, then it should be kind of autumnal. By the time this video comes out, I reckon they'll have a lot more. But yeah, you can see lots of bats and stuff. And then one of my favourite parts of Ikea is the basket section. I don't know what it is, like I don't know where I'm putting these baskets, but I just want to buy them all. I think I'm going to come back for that middle one because I need somewhere to put like blankets and stuff in the living room. So I'm really enjoying all of these baskets that they've got. And yeah, coming to the end of the shop now, I was looking at the different vases. I did want to get one, but because I'm not very good with real flowers, I don't want to get a glass vase for fake flowers because you can obviously see straight through it. But yeah, I thought I'd grab some of this potpourri because our downstairs bathroom has got like a bowl that I can put some in, so I'll get some of that. And I thought I'd get some autumnal flowers as well. You could really feel in the warehouse that summer was being fleshed out. It wasn't half as many things there as there was when I'd been previously earlier on in the year. So yeah. Okay, so just back in the car now. Not sure how that shopping trip went. They didn't have like enough autumn stuff. Maybe I am a little bit early because it is only the 12th of August, but usually I thought by now they'd be kitted out with autumn. You can tell that the summer stuff is being reduced, not in price but like in how much they're showcasing outside. But I got a few little bits. I got some autumn false flowers. I have got some I've got some potpourri, if that's how you say, and then I got these, and then I also got these. I know a lot of people do little DIYs with these, but I have actually bought them for their intended use, which is to go on the end of the arms of the sofa, because I like to sit on the arms of the sofa, but we've got a white sofa, so as you can imagine, don't want that getting dirty. So yeah, I'm gonna go home now, pop those bits up in my house and show you then. Okay, so I added my autumnal bouquet to a bunch of eucalyptus that I already had. This is the perfect way to change it through the season, so I can take the autumnal flowers out when spring arrives and still have the eucalyptus, but I think it's a perfect little nod to autumn. And then the chair covers, I think they look so good, and they're actually really practical. We are using them quite a lot, and I feel safe knowing that the arms aren't getting super dirty. As you can see, we've got an ivory sofa, which is probably silly, but nevertheless, you only live once, so you might as well just get the sofa that you want. But yeah, absolutely loving it. This is the potpourri. I've only put half in because I'll use the rest another time. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found some value out of this video, and make sure you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.